film by Govind.
There is still hope.
Humans are fighting over religious beliefs. They are fighting for money, power, and their existence. We fools think we control, but don't have any control over time. Humans are building AI, AGI, and AR. Do you think they will be our loyal servants? We cannot play with fire. The fire within us can burn. Climate change is winning. Save water, save soil. Save our earth from plastic waste. It's destroying our ecosystem. Deforestation is really harming the ecosystem. We are harming wildlife sanctuary and our Mother Earth. Animals are hunted, eaten or destroyed.
Plant the trees, please plant the trees.
Earth is becoming divided while some wealthy individuals are planning to occupy Mars. They are building rockets, spaceships, AI and robotics to occupy Mars. The 5 elements, air, earth, water, space and fire are divine, forming the human body and awakening superconsciousness. In Mars, also humans will fight for land and their flags. Machines and humans started colonizing Mars. Scientists have started growing plants and trees brought from sacred Indian forests. Families have started living on Mars with their children freely. Scientists have started building dome cities with water lakes and trees. Scientists have started researching plant species in laboratories. India has built its largest plant research center on Mars. Space travel has become normal and humans have started visiting space regularly. Sci-fi flying cars and super-fast flying drones have become normal on Mars. People have started hosting events and parties on Mars. Rocket flying high in spaces. Do you think we can explore more planets? What do you think about black holes and the possibility of life on other planets? Can Earth remain safe forever?
Black hole. Oh my god, I want to sleep and let's talk about black holes later.